The 5 most weight loss friendly foods on the planet. Various food sources go through various metabolic pathways in your body. They can have tremendously various impacts on your craving, chemicals and the quantity of calories you consume. Here are the 5 most weight reduction amicable food varieties on Earth that are upheld by science. Number 1. Entire eggs. Albeit a high admission of eggs raises the degrees of awful LDL cholesterol in certain individuals, they are perhaps the best food to eat in the event that you need to get in shape. They are high in protein and fat, and are very satisfying. One examination in 30 overweight ladies showed that having eggs for breakfast, rather than bagels, expanded sensations of totality and caused members to eat less for the following a day and a half. An additional 8-week study found that eggs for breakfast expanded weight reduction on a calorie-limited eating regimen. Contrasted with bagels, eggs are additionally extraordinarily supplement thick and can assist you with getting the supplements you need on a calorie-limited eating routine. Strangely, practically every one of the supplements are found in the yolks. Synopsis: eggs are very filling and supplement thick. Contrasted with refined carbs like bagels, eggs can smother craving later in the day and may even advance weight reduction. Number 2. Salad greens. Salad greens incorporate kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chards and a couple of others. They have a few properties that make them ideal for a weight reduction diet. For example, being low in calories and starches and stacked with fiber. Eating salad greens is an extraordinary method to expand the volume of your dinners, without expanding the calories. Various examinations show that dinners and diets with a low energy thickness cause individuals to eat less calories. Generally speaking, salad greens are likewise unbelievably nutritious and exceptionally high in numerous nutrients, cancer prevention agents and minerals, including calcium, which has been appeared to help fat consuming in certain investigations.
Number 3. Salmon.
Greasy fish like salmon is staggeringly sound and fulfilling, keeping you full for a long time with moderately couple of calories. Salmon is stacked with top-notch protein, sound fats and different significant supplements. Fish, when all is said and done, may likewise supply a lot of iodine. This supplement is vital for appropriate thyroid capacity, which is critical to keep your digestion running ideally. Studies show that a critical number of individuals don't fill their iodine needs. Salmon is likewise stacked with omega-3 unsaturated fats, which have been appeared to help lessen aggravation, which is known to assume a significant part in weight and metabolic infection. Mackerel, trout, sardines, herring and different kinds of greasy fish are additionally astounding. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables incorporate broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and Brussels sprouts. Like different vegetables, they're high in fiber and will in general be unfathomably filling. Additionally, these kinds of veggies by and large contain fair measures of protein. They're not close to as high in protein as creature food sources or vegetables, yet at the same time high contrasted with most vegetables. A blend of protein, fiber and low energy thickness makes cruciferous vegetables the ideal food varieties to remember for your dinners in the event that you need to get thinner. They're likewise exceptionally nutritious and contain disease-battling substances. Number 5. Lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been ridiculously defamed. It has been censured for different medical issues, notwithstanding an absence of good proof to back up these negative cases. Despite the fact that handled meat is unfortunate, examines show that natural red meat doesn't raise the danger of coronary illness or diabetes as indicated by 2 major survey examines. Red meat has just an exceptionally powerless connection with disease in men and no connection at all in ladies. Truly, meat is a weight reduction cordial food since it's high in protein. Protein is by a long shot the most filling supplement. Also, eating a high-protein diet can cause you to wreck to 80 to 100 additional calories each day. Studies have shown that expanding your protein admission to 25 of day-by-day calories can cut longings by 60. decrease your craving for late evening nibbling significantly and cause weight reduction of very nearly 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, each week. In case you're on a low-carb diet, go ahead and eat greasy meats. In any case, in case you're on a moderate to high-carb diet, picking lean meats might be more proper.